Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to edit your note on the Instagram app when using your PC thanks to the latest update. If you've been wondering how to update that little message you leave for your friends and followers, stick around because I'll walk you through every step. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. It's the same familiar interface you know, but now with some handy new features that make managing your notes super simple. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll see several options. Click on Messenger. This is where all your direct messages and notes come together. Next, find your current note. It's usually displayed at the top or in a prominent spot within Messenger. Click on your note to open it. You'll see the option to leave a new note right there. This is your chance to update your message with something fresh, fun, or informative, whatever you want to share with your friends. Now, write your new note. Keep it short and catchy, just like you would on your phone. Instagram notes are a great way to share quick thoughts, updates, or even ask questions to your followers. Once you've typed out your new message, all that's left is to click share. And that's it. Your note is now updated and visible to your friends and followers on Instagram, all from your PC. This new feature makes it easier than ever to stay connected and keep your profile lively without needing to grab your phone. So, remember, open Instagram on your PC, click Messenger from the left menu, select your note, write your new message, and hit share. With just a few clicks, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Instagram experience.